Hey y'all, welcome back to The Real Yvonne. So I did a little Bath and Body Works little haul, year-end haul. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased today on December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, please keep watching. Okay, so I just picked up a few items. I stopped in the Bath and Body Works. Today I had no business going in, but it is what it is. Plus, on my in my email I had a $10 off coupon also that you could use on any purchase. Like if you, it was a coupon that if you spent at least $10, I think that's what it said, you get an item free up to $14. So anyway, first thing I noticed, and Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. This is the Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel. There you go. I don't normally get the shower gels. I was like, well, because what they did, they had a sale. It's buy 3 get 2 free. So I took advantage of that. And let me just read on the back, let you know. The fragrance notes are warm ginger snap, fresh nutmeg, orange zest, spiced brown sugar, and roasted tonka. I don't think they're talking about the trucks. It do smell good. Got that. And then I got the body cream. I love body creams over lotions. That's why I didn't get the lotion. I got the body cream. There you go. It's a 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream. And then to round that off, I got it's a diamond shimmer mist. I don't know if you can see it. Let me spray it on my hand. Because I don't know how much you're going to be able to see that, pick it up. But there is a shimmer. It's not ridiculous. But there is a shimmer. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Same, you know, I don't have to read it to you. I already told you about the gingerbread nutmeg. But you definitely can smell, y'all. It smells so good. If you don't like baked goods, you know, like, breads and stuff like that, you're not going to like this. But anyway, I got that. Then I got a Vanilla Bean Noel. It's a Shimmer Fizz body lotion. I never tried one of these. So it comes in, it looks like mousse. You know, it comes in one of these cans. Like a can. And then you see that, how it come out? Ooh, shit. Look, it's a foam, but it's a lotion. Ooh, it's very cooling too. It's a, you smell that vanilla bean. And it absorbs real quick. And it's infused with a kiss of shimmer for silky soft feeling skin. Fun fizzy sensation, vitamins A and E. The fragrance notes: fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, snow-kissed musk. Look forward to using this. I did not get the matching shower gel only because I didn't see it. They didn't have it, like they sold out. But I did get the diamond shimmer mist. I'm not going to spray this one because it's going to be the same as far as the other ones, except this is the vanilla bean scent. And it's green, in case you didn't catch that. And lastly, what I got was from the aromatherapy line. I love it. This is a new one, at least new to me. I've never seen it before. It's called Love. It's rose and vanilla. Y'all, this smells so good. My husband liked this scent on me because I already tried a little. I said, ooh, it smells so good. I like glass bottle. I already have another one of a scent. It's an orange patchouli. Fuck it if I messed it up. This is a fast absorbing body lotion. Conditions skin with ultra nourishing shea butter and antioxidant rich vitamin E. Number 1, rose oil. Inspires connection and self-confidence. Number 2, vanilla absolute. It calms the mind to encourage relaxation. They say, you know, after you massage it in, then breathe deeply for best results. Anyway, y'all, this smells so good. I had put some of this on my hand in the store, and that was around 11 a.m. But before I put that other stuff on my hand, let y'all, and it is like 11 at night, 12 hours later, y'all, I still smell it. So that is good, because see, a lot of these Bath and Body Works fragrances do not last that long unless you layer it, meaning shower gel, lotion, and body mist, or, you know, perfume, whatever like that. But this by itself, y'all, ooh, it lasts at least for 12 hours. So I would suggest that. As far as what did I spend on all this, we don't need to talk about that. Let me see. I know some people like to know, but I told you though, it's buy 3 get 2 for free. So for the most part, I got my husband some too, but that's not in here. I already gave it to him. But like this Vanilla Rose, this was $13.50. That was $13.50. Now for the, oh, I hate this type of stuff. But for the most part, y'all, the rest of these was like $13.50, $12.50. Yeah, the Vanilla Bean. Which one was it? I think it was this one. It was $13.50, I think. And this one was, you know why it's hard for me to tell? I'm sorry, I can't, because they took off, because like I just said, 2 was free. But y'all know how these are. I'll tell you right now on the bottom of them. Okay, so $12.50 for the shower gel. The lotion, I mean, the shimmer mist, $14.50. And the Shea, $13.50. And okay, I was right, $16.50 for this. Why? Because it's in this type of damn can, like you put some mousse in here. Yeah, $14.50. So this Vanilla Bean line is slightly more expensive than the Spice Gingerbread line. At least that's what I'm seeing. I already told you this. It's $13.50. Hell, even this is cheaper than the Vanilla Bean line. And you get 6.5 fluid ounces in this. In the mist, you get, come on, don't you hate this though? You gotta look, search all over, because everything's a secret. Oh, there you go. It's, you can always see, it's 4.9 fluid ounces. And for the body cream, that's 8 ounces, of course. So anyway, so there you go. Thank you all for watching. So did y'all take advantage of the sale? You know, the buy 3 get 2 free. What are your favorite scents from Bath and Body Works? Also, would y'all like to see more videos like this? Because, you know, we're going into a new year, and I love Bath and Body Works. I just don't always film it because I don't think people really want to see it all the time. But hey, the candles, look, all that type of stuff. Also, if you're interested in seeing my collection of Bath and Body Works lotions and stuff, the body care, comment that below. Because what I do is I rotate it out. You know, you got your scents for the spring, summertime, and you got the stuff for your fall and the wintertime. So if you're interested in those type of videos, please comment that below. Give us a big thumbs up. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you want to know what this channel is about, go to the About Me section of my channel, and you'll see I have a variety of videos. So you will never get bored on this channel. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all be safe. Happy holidays.